Okay, continue. Interview, which in which language you want interview? So let's say Elana wants interview in English. Interpreter, no, she can do it herself. Where do you currently live? I select she's living in Toronto. Okay. See, it has been picked up already. Have you used any other name? No. UCI, 8 or 10 digits, that unique client identifier. So in this case, because Ilana is staying in Canada legally, she does have a UCI, unique client identifier. But because we and but it's not mandatory, but anyway they're going to find. So I strongly recommend you enter. You will find in all correspondence that you have received from IRCC. So let's say Elana, if she is a student and she has applied for study permit, definitely it will be over there. But because this is not mandatory and I don't want to put a sample over here, I just leave it. But definitely she's a female, eye color black, height I gave 170 centimeters. Mm. Place of birth, let's say she was born in New Delhi. Let's say both Elana and John, Indian citizens. Country of birth, India. Citizenship, let's say she's from India. For when India does not allow dual citizenship, so definitely there's nothing that you can do along with India. Current country, let's say I select Canada. In Canada class, we are going. Status, let's say you're a student. Okay. Wow. So let's say Elana came last year, 2023. You need to do as per your case. Okay. Don't pick up the dates that I am using. And she has 2 years of or 3 years of study permit. Just sample guides. Okay. Date your last entry to Canada. So let's say she came in August. Uh, place. Okay. Previous country of residence during past 5 years. Have you lived in any country other than your country of citizenship or your current country? So in Elana case, they are asking in previous 5 years, did you live in India, in any country apart from India, which is her country of citizenship, or current? So no, she has not gone. But if you have gone, definitely. Current marital status, married. Okay. Now it is asking for marriage. When did you marry? So let's say she married in March of this year. 15th. That okay, okay. Provide the name of a current spouse partner. So let's say her spouse partner name is John Smith. Have you previously been married on a common law relationship? I select no and I click on save and continue. Contact information, it's already given. Phone number, one number is definitely mandatory, you have to provide. So Canada, US, because she is in Canada. So number uh, da, 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 da. Okay. Sample guys. Other number? No, she does not have. Fax number. I can clear the section, but only this. Okay, not mandatory. Do you want to contact us using the email address used for this account? I select yes. If you select no, they will ask you to put one more email account. I click save and continue. Do you have a valid passport travel document? I select yes. Now, Elana's passport details. I'll just put sample. Country of issue. Okay. Yeah. Issue date. Let's say it was issued in 2022. Oh, I'm really sorry. That's why you should not move too fast. And 10. And typical Indian passports valid till 10 years. Okay, save and continue. National identity document. So when I had applied for first time to Canada, I had used my PAN card details. In India, you get PAN card, right? And it was successful. Now you do get Aadhaar card or something. So just because it's a sample video, I select no. But if you have national ID document, this depends on your nationality too. You can definitely click on yes and provide that information. Education, highest levels. Okay. So let's say Elana has studied BTech and now she is studying masters. So highest level of education, I'll go for bachelor's degree. Number of years of education in total. So like how many uh, years she has studied? Let's say 10 plus 2, 16. 16 she has studied till total. Okay. Occupation. Current occupation is like she is a student. Intended occupation, let's say IT developer. You need to do as per your case. Language, native language or mother language. Let's say she's from India. So Ilana's native language is Hindi. Okay, whatever is applicable in your case. Are you able to communicate in English or French? I select English. Have you taken test in designated order? I select yes because she's a student. So dependents. You want to include your dependent. So